What's up, guys? JT over at Team FAS Motorsports, out here heading to Glamis, California for basically opening weekend, Halloween 2024. It's also Camp RZR. So we're going to grab our flight here at JFK, land in San Diego, grab our RV, head into the dunes, meet up with my boy Nick, grab our machines, and get some riding in. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. A lot of you guys that watch the videos are not subscribed, and it really helps us. It'd be awesome if you guys can go ahead and click subscribe. So we hope you enjoy this part one of our Glamis Halloween 2024 video. And without any more delays, let's hop right into it. Alright, so I'm out at the airport, JFK Terminal 5. My buddy Chris, getting ready to get on our flight. We board at 5:45 a.m. to head out to Camp RZR San Diego. So we'll touch base when we get out there. Our camp for this year. Got Derek and the boys over there. Got lots of stuff. Got my RZR.
I'm checking everything now. I don't know what the over-under is on twins, but with your plus 50, one negative. Plus 50 on twins by December. We'll put it in. We'll put it in right now. Thank you. Bye.
definitely sand rail time. The trailer. Oh man, you're close on this side, bud. That side you're good. This side. Where's the remote? I'm involved. Hello. Redline motor, baby. Car unlimited? I'm gonna have to do something back there, bud. Woo! Oh my god. Sick. Brand new Redline motor. Nick's going serious this year. This is sick. What does that do?
2,000 plus. RHS fully built.
Sick.
All right, guys, thanks for watching part 1 of our Glamis trip, October Halloween 2024. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and click like. Drop us a comment below if you had any questions, or you like certain parts, or you want to see some other stuff done. And we really appreciate it. Subscribe to the channel. Check out our merch. There's a link in the description. And we will catch you soon for part 2 of our Glamis trip. We appreciate you watching as always. Thank you again, and we'll catch you on the next one.